Hello, thanks for coming to look at our video today. I'm Andrew from Advanced Heating Services. We're just carrying out a service on like a refrigerator. We do lots of domestic and mostly commercial properties for commercial fridges. If you're a little shop or if you're a supermarket or anything and you've got some refrigerators, we do actually do refrigerant recharge on gases and the servicing of the units, which is quite important. A fridge consists of a compressor. This is called a compressor. What this does is it moves the refrigerant round the back of it. It gets hot after it being compressed, and as it cools down, there's a pipe which comes up here and goes into the fridge, and this is where it gets cool, because as it rises after the gas gets compressed, it goes into the fridge and then it becomes cool, and that's how the fridge takes place and the freezing process. But Advanced Plumbing and Heating, our company work 24 hours a day. We do have engineers that can come and carry this out. If you're a shopkeeper or a supermarket, the last thing you need is one of these breaking down. So do keep our number, because we do this sort of thing, as well as plumbing and gas and electrics, carpentry. Our contact number, keep this number in mind, it's 01708 522 666. 01708 522 666. And we do have a website, do check it out. It's advancedheatinglondon.co.uk. We're a husband and wife founded company. We consider it the most, one of the most trusted in London. So do give us a call and we look forward to hearing from you, because we get this serviced. Okay, thanks.